I think it's about time to blend in and find the weakest of fields, rhyme spilling from his insides out. Like my light bulb, bright enough to fight all shitting on the demons and the deities and dball. Oh, guard bitten, but I go hard, waiting for your slow start, hoping that your flow don't go too far from the beat. Maybe try a metronome or tap your feet. And don't get me started on the witch of uncharted, pumpkin forest, some pole with sorcerer's retar.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Sir, you can't exactly say that on the recording.
Yeah, he's right, man.
Wait, really?
No, don't do it, kid.
Nah, fuck that bitch-ass corporate shills. Take you all down with me, I'm counting my kills. The blood of millions on my hands and fingers can make it rain, baby, call me Mr. Seven Figures. If I see Jorg's face, I think I'm gonna vomit. Blech. You ain't a witch, you a freaking hobbit. Corny, boring, Jorg, I'm snoring. Get the hell out of my sight before I burn your forest. Though it feels like I'm forgetting something.
Welcome to hell.
Ah. And what do you have to say for yourself, traitor? Someone else, a ghost without a face, hiding behind your mask, you're ugly in every way.
You held me back, but I'm fighting now. Give you a heart attack by sitting down in the throne you left. It ain't over yet. You ain't a leader, bitch. You a fucking clown.
Let me be clear.
We were allied once, but I don't wanna hear. Unlike you, the people adore me. You can't beat me, dog. I win 60-40.